Good afternoon, fellow dreamers. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and today we are checking out yet another house. This one is in a secure subdivision. It's actually got a basketball court down there. It's got ample parking for our car, which would be nice. It's got its own little gate, which is nice. It's got inverter air conditioners all throughout it. Solid windows, which I love. Keep in mind that they're going to paint the entire place before it's handed over. There's the CCTV camera right there. That helps a little bit. It comes with a guard dog. This guy is vicious. Don't get him going. Don't get him going. This just goes back towards the back of the house. But let's get right into it. You can see there's a lot of gecko shit all over the place, as usual. And this is a sliding door. Interesting. I haven't seen a sliding front door before. It's got some furnishings. I like these leather couches. I guess this was owned by a German gentleman who went back to Germany. There's a Panasonic. I believe that's an inverter. They said it was. I'm gonna double check though. So you basically have air conditioning over the main living area. Again, keep in mind that this is gonna be painted. You get your junction box in case you need to flip some switches. It's got security grates all in it, again with the solid windows, which is really nice. They're desperate need of cleaning. There are no screens, but we're gonna ask that screens be put in. It comes from a refrigerator, but we got an electric. This is an old Electrolux. We got a brand new Samsung inverter, so we'll be bringing that. That dog you hear barking is actually his dog, so there's not any other dogs barking around here. Oh, it's also got a chandelier. That's a nice touch. It has PLDT right now, but it's only DSL, but they say there are fiber hookups. I definitely got to check on that. But these things are really nice. I must have got that from Mandawi Foam. Again, this is going to be painted. I recommended beige. Beige is always good. Let's go right into the master bedroom. This is nice, spacious. This is a real bed frame. Actually, we're probably gonna have to take this out with Zoe and put the mattress on the floor. But that's okay. That is a Samsung inverter right there, DC inverter, so that's sweet. Cabinetry, lots of places to put your stuff. I checked all the doors, they're all doing pretty good. And it's a little bit like heaven. There's some stickers. I'd like to see those go, even though I am an avid diver. So yeah, smells nice too. I don't know what kind of wood they use. But again, the solid windows for keeping the air conditioning in. You can see it's in desperate need of painting. Desperate need of painting. Oh, by the way, they're asking 20,000 pesos a month for this place, and I think we're gonna take it. I'm gonna try to talk to the owner directly. All right, this is the bath, obviously, the CR. The mirror's in rough condition. I don't know if they're gonna be able to, they said they're gonna fix this. I don't know how that's gonna work out. We'll have to negotiate that. Life does not begin at 40, life begins with knowing Jesus. Just keep that in mind, everyone. It also comes with some cups, in case you need to drink some water. That looks hygienic. Let's check the water pressure. Ooh, water pressure is really low. But you know what? If it's an issue here, I'm just gonna put in a pressure tank. Oh, looks like we got pressure there. Let's see. Oh, nice. Oh, why do they do this? They got the toilet in the shower. And there's no raised lid. Well, I guess when you're taking a shower, you can just bring the shower head over and clean the toilet, I guess. Okay, let's see how this is working. Okay, there's enough water for the AEG water heater to function. You got fairly decent water pressure, not too bad. This tile in here is actually pretty nice. Looks like they probably just redid this. Okay, whenever you're checking out a rental, this is the scariest part. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some work on this. And a cockroach. And, since he's from Germany, a bum gun. But this is nice. I'm not too crazy about the toilet being in here, but it's got a tub. And this thing could use a little cleaning. Could use a little cleaning. Is that on my lens? Oh, okay. You don't see too many houses with tubs. This could be Zoe's tub. She could hang out in here, go swimming. And just look at this bed frame, man. I wonder if that's like German wood from the Black Forest. All right, there's 2 more rooms. One of these would be the Yaya's room. Get a little bit of shelving. Again, this is all gonna be repainted. And we're gonna get a screen in this window, because if this is the Yaya's room, she ain't getting aircon. Or heat, or whatever we get. Whoa! And yeah, another really big mirror right here. Yeah, I guess for reasons. This might actually be my office, because it looks like it might be quiet back here. All right, there's another bathroom, another CR right here. Good tiles in all good shape. Tiles in really good shape. They must have just redone that again. Again, you gotta have the repaint done. It's got a water heater, AEG water heater. Cool, cool, cool. It's got the raised lip. So we'd probably actually be using this shower and toilet and sink more than the one in the master bath. And finally, here's the last room. It's a small little room. It's got, now what I might do, if this is gonna be the office, I'll put my inverter aircon in here. Yeah, I might use this as the office. All right, I think I'm panning the camera too quick. And again, there's a giant mirror. Just, I don't know, keep an eye out for vampires. All right, and another interesting feature, hold on, we're gonna go to the kitchen first. The cabinetry is really nice here. Yeah, I think we're gonna take this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we are. Cabinetry is all in pretty good shape. What I'm gonna do also is I'm gonna try to contact the owner directly and offer him like $18,000, and I'll pay him 6 months up front. See if he'll go with that deal. Plus I'll send him the videos of how I took care of Pink House and all that. Because when I first moved in there, I repainted that, I did the tile work, all that stuff. I don't know if that's dirt or just stained. That's not a deal breaker. Interesting. Ooh, yeah. Digital microwave, like that. Sink for all your sinking needs. When you get that sinking feeling, this is where you'll be at. Yeah, can somebody tell me what that is on this fake, I think this is fake marble. And if it comes up, is it scale? It might be scale from the water. And again, there's just lots of room for all your knickknacks. The only problem is Chicha is not going to be able to reach any of this stuff. All right, and there's a staircase back here, and we're going to go up there in just a minute. But let's go in the back. Hey, the guard dog. Hey, buddy. And this is where your dirty kitchen would be. Set up the bamboo table right there and do all your cooking, because you got overhang, which is cool. Also, you got good ventilation. You got all the soffit down here. Looks like the wood's rotting out here. That might be a problem. And again, that's the front. And if you need to talk to your neighbor, there you go. Right there. You need to get some cup of sugar or something? Not a problem. Hey, buddy. Uh-oh, he's growling at me. All right, so let's go up the stairs here. this is something I haven't seen in the Philippines, and this is a metal brace. All right, the lighting's not that great up here, but it's basically like a storage area or a meth lab. It's also got insulation all along the roof, which is great. And you can see it basically runs, well, you can't see because there's no light, but it basically runs all the way. And yeah, and everything is insulated. And it's good too, because you got this space to help disperse the heat. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's all kinds of venting to help get the heat out. Now, of course, being in the Philippines, there's no roof venting, but hey, what can you do? Maybe I'll turn this into my creepy man cave. So yeah, asking 20,000 pesos. Gotta double check with PLDT. Make sure they can get fiber up here. Gotta make sure I get the owner's contact information so we can do some negotiations and have agreement on how the house is gonna be handed over. But this ain't bad at all. And the aircon's going, so it's cool. All right, that's basically it. I know it's been a while, but I'll see you next time on my Philippine Dreams. Puppies, rainbows, unicorns, and 3-bedroom, 2-bath houses for all once they're painted. Zoe, what's this? What's this right here?
Extra milk.
What's that? Yeah? What else? Is it, oh yeah. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.